butterfly on my face. I wish Kay was here.
How does it feel to have a butterfly
Amazing.
on one's face?
He's amazing. He's the friendliest butterfly ever, except he likes my hair. Look! Look at his wings. Beautiful.
Wait, let me get it in that. Let me get that in focus. Show me your wings.
Show your wings. Show your wings. I think he puts them out when he has to balance. There.
Oh, beautiful.
Look how friendly he is. I have a pet butterfly.
So where are we?
Botanical Gardens in Huntsville, Alabama. Oh, you're
Beautiful.
so pretty.
There's some beautiful,
He's looking at me.
beautiful butterflies.
Hi. You like my hair,
everywhere.
don't you?
So
He's
tiny
so
feet.
pretty. Here, all right, let me hold it and you hold him.
No,
I want video of you holding him.
it's okay. I'm good.
Look, he's all polka dotty. He's in fashion.
Oh, he's so in. There he is.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You're so pretty. Yes, you're so pretty. Yes, you are. Oh my goodness. You are lovely. Yes, you are. You made my day. Yes, you have made my day. It's better than a lizard. Come on, your turn. I want you to hold it.